Do you think a Hot Wheel car would have fun in his new house? That's right, Lofty. It would be so great. Other Hot Wheel cars make houses fun too, making a model tree house on their own. Just watch. Dun 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 dun. And they're building their very own tree house. Don't split it. Some children would have fun building a treehouse on their own. They're building a treehouse model. The floor, and the walls, and the roof. Oh, hello. What do you think the treehouse needs now? That's right, a tree. It's only a model treehouse, so it needs small branches for them to hold. Do you know what There's one more thing to do it. Do you know what it is? Yes, a roof. That's a great treehouse. Well done. Dun, 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 dun. Wow, that's very great, Bob. Yes, it is, Lofty. Now they're going to plant a tree. Dun, 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 dun.